Hello everyone, welcome to Smart Global. Today we will be talking about one common question: how much per kg? Seriously, it sounds simple, but in shipping business, it's actually a bit complex. Let me show you why. Let's take these two examples. 10 kg of garments, 10 kg of screws. The weight is exactly same, so you will think it will cost you same to ship, right? Nope. There are two reasons these goods will cost you different, although the weight is same while you are shipping. Number one, CBM, cubic meter volume. Garments are bulky and takes up more space. So more space costs us more money. Screws, on the other hand, compact and take smaller space, but with the same weight. So it's not costing us more. Number two, customs tax. Let's think we are sending these two goods to Bangladesh. For example, in Bangladesh, garments might have tax rate of 25%, where screws have only 10%. So that extra tax on garments adds to the final shipping cost. That's why garments shipping price is much more higher than screws shipping price. So when you ask for how much per kg, keep that in your mind. Shipping cost depends on more than just weight. We need to consider CBM and tax rate. Now you understand why different products cost you different while shipping. Reach out to us on WeChat or WhatsApp and we will make sure you got the best rate. Thank you for watching. Stay smart, stay with Smart Global.